Hey guys, welcome back to Sledgehammer Performance Garage. In today's episode, we're going to be looking at an addition that I made to my detailing cart, which is adding an active 2.0, 2 gallons per minute, 1800 PSI pressure washer, which is replacing my 1.2 GPM Ryobi. So let's look at the performance between the two and see if this purchase was worth it. Okay, for this simple test, we're just going to make sure that both pressure washers are on equal ground. So I'm going to use my Meguiar's Gold Class soap, and we're going to use this MJJC foam cannon to carry out our test. This way we get the same mixture of soap and water so that, again, both pressure washers are on equal ground. So I'm going to go ahead and pour some of this in my container, not too much. And I don't measure this out. It's not really a big deal to get an exact measurement with it. So the next step is to fill our foam cannon with water so that we can carry out our test. Alright, now it's time to test our new Active 2.0 GPM pressure washer. Got everything hooked up. This is a little bit different orientation than I had before. Now the hose inlet is on the front side rather than back in the corner, which is where I had to have it with the Ryobi. So, a little bit different orientation, but let's give it a try. So let's give this one a try. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my less than scientific comparison of these two models, the Ryobi 1.2 and the Active 2.0 GPM. I will say that it was worth the purchase. While the Ryobi was really inexpensive at about $120, the Active came in at $300, but I think it was well worth it because I got about the same foaming action out of it, but where the difference really lies is when you rinse your vehicle down, because it is about 3 times faster with the Active 2.0. And that's great because it's going to lend some efficiency to my washing process, and it just makes it overall more enjoyable. So was it worth it to me? Yes, it was, because I am the weekend detailer. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and please leave your comments below, and I try to get back to each and every one of you. So stick with us for another episode of Sledgehammer Performance in the very near future.